What's up, guys? I was gonna ride for this video, but just gonna looks too beautiful right here, so just wanted to talk about mental health and the importance of trying to stay positive with whatever you're going through in life. Things get hard, but I always preach and I always tell people that are struggling with whatever it may be, that sometimes, you got to keep pushing forward and don't let it bog you down. I'm going through a rough patch right now with some stuff, but you got to remain positive, because in that rough patch and that hardship of whatever you're going through in life, it's not all negative there. It may be tough to deal with at the time, but if you stay positive with it or going through it, there can be some growth there. I don't know everybody's situation or what they may be going through, but I promise you, if you try to stay positive, and I know it's hard, that coming out of it, eventually when you do come out of it, or even if you're in the suck and you're good some days and you're bad some days, as long as you hold it in your mind that you're trying to stay positive, that's all that matters. Being in that rough patch, that negative mindset, it's a point for growth with yourself, instead of just letting it consume you and staying in that just negative state that doesn't benefit you. It doesn't benefit your friends, your family, anyone around you. Like, if you you'll know if you're going through this type of stuff or any type of hardship, that just being in that negative state, like, you don't want to talk to anyone, you don't want to deal with anybody. But holding that positive mindset, and it can be hard, it can be really hard, but sometimes you gotta think of better days, because they're there. The bad days are gonna be there, but they're not always gonna be there. There's gonna be some better days on the other side. I don't know, probably a lot of rambling in this video, but main point is just try to stay positive and happy, and really try to better yourself, and don't let hardships get you down in life, because that's life. Life can't be all sunshine and roses, as they say. You're gonna have hardships with whatever in life, but it's how you deal with them, it's how you move past them, that you grow as a person, and maybe you learn something about yourself. And that's all I wanted to get on here and say. I don't have that much battery life on this GoPro, so I'm probably just gonna cut it here. I'm just out riding a little bit, so, but hope you guys are doing well. If you're going through a rough patch and this video found you some way, then take it as a sign to, hey brother, keep your head up, or sister, keep your head up, and keep going. You're in a downtime right now, but I promise you it'll get better. Just try try to stay positive. Try to stay positive, and I know it's hard, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna continue this ride, and please ride safe, and of course, always have fun. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.